The Nectar of Devotion by A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. 47. Compassion and Anger. A true devotee will be directed in how they care and how they are displeased. When we're going through loss, our devotion may take on differences in form, but we need to be steadfast. Srimad Bhagavatam 10:16-13 reminds us that when we have to deal with a problem, that problem can directly afflict us. And others witnessing what we are going through may end up suffering as a result. But when they realize that you're doing something in the cause of, not just the name of, but the cause of, then it enhances their dedication as well. The Hamsadutta reminds us to seek out the signs of how divinity has impacted nature. When we care, it directs our sense of repulsion, not in a way that's just about our own mere tastes and experiences of the matter. In the Madhava 2:53, one goes where one needs to go. And it can still displease one if you notice that reactions that are contrary to moral or ethical sensibilities are still going on. Sometimes the relationship will be right, except for some periods of silence or keeping away from or that sort of stuff. And there's such a difference between difficulty and suffering. If you're just allowing yourself to be disturbed, dissatisfied, that's not the thing. And one should know the qualities, or be able to define the qualities via how they are described in rightful scripture. What is the real rank in comparison? The Madhava also mentions the moods that the other genders go out towards each other or have in response to each other. And they need to look at the situation with each other overall. And they maybe need to admit when the anger or other reaction that's being had is not a necessary one. And we need to just acknowledge that jealousy will naturally occur left and right over all sorts of things. Sometimes the issue is that people are blocking our path. Some people are actually neglecting, but other times it just seems that way.